Welcome to CoachIQ. Today we do the MCQs for geography, that is from resources and development. The first MCQ is the process of transformation of things available in our environment is dependent on the relationship between A. Nature, technology and plants, B. Trees, humans and institutions, or C. Nature, technology and institutions. The answer is C. Nature, technology and institutions. Second, which statement is wrong? A. Resources are free gifts of nature. B. Metals are recyclable. C. Non-renewable resources occur over a long geological period of time. The answer is A. Resources are free gifts of nature. It is wrong because resources are not free gifts of nature. Third, where did the Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit take place? A. Brazil, B. Cuba, or C. Korea? The answer is A, that is Brazil. And that is where Agenda 21 was signed. Fourth, India has the right to mine which resource from the bed of the Indian Ocean? A. Magnesium nodules, B. Manganese nodules, or C. Mica nodules? The answer is B. Manganese nodules. Now, this is an answer which I see many students going wrong. So just remember, you have nodule starts with a capital N, and manganese, the formula is Mn. So you get N in both. So that way you can associate and remember. The fifth one, which report introduced the concept of sustainable development and advocated it as a means for resource conservation? A. Rio de Janeiro report, B. Earth Summit report, or C. the Brundtland Commission report? The answer is C. Brundtland Commission report. Sixth, main reason for land degradation in Punjab: overgrazing, over-irrigation, or deforestation? The answer is B. Over-irrigation. Seventh, what percentage of the land area should be kept for forest area in India? 30%, 31%, or 33%? The answer is C. 33%. Eighth, main cause for land degradation in Gujarat and Maharashtra: deforestation, mining, or overgrazing? The answer is C. Overgrazing. Ninth, which type of soil is more common in the Piedmont plains like Duars, Shores, and Terai? Loamy, coarse, or soft? The answer is B. Coarse. 10th, terrace cultivation is practiced in which parts of the Himalayas? A. East and West, B. Western and Central, or C. Western and Southern? The answer is B. Western and Central. 11th, laterite soils develop under the following geographical conditions: A. High temperature and heavy rainfall, B. High humidity and low rainfall, C. Low temperature and low rainfall? The answer is A. High temperature and heavy rainfall. Remember, for laterite soils, the conditions are extreme, like the temperature has to be high and the rainfall also has to be more. Next, what is new alluvial soil called? Is it Bangar, arid or Khadar? The answer is C, that is Khadar. Then you come to the 13th one, that is, in which of the following states is terrace cultivation practiced? Punjab, Uttarakhand or the plains of Uttar Pradesh? The answer is B, Uttarakhand. 14th. Which type of resource is tidal energy? A, replenishable, B, human-made or C, non-recyclable? The answer is A, replenishable. Next, which type of soil has high moisture holding capacity? Arid, black or red and yellow? The answer is black soil. Black soil has tremendous capacity to hold water. 16th, soil formed due to intense leaching. Forest soil, arid soil or laterite soil? The answer is C, laterite soil. Connect L and L, leaching and laterite. 17th, land use data is available for how much percentage of India's total geographical area? 93%, 91% or 95%? The answer is 93%. 18th, which method is used to control soil erosion in the deserts? Gully erosion, sheet erosion or planting of shelter belts? It is C, planting of shelter belts. Then the 19th one. Resources which are found in a region but have not been utilized. They are called stock, reserves or potential resources. The answer is C, potential. 20th, territorial waters of a country is the oceanic area up to how many nautical miles from the coast? A 13, B 22 or C 12 nautical miles? The answer is C, 12. Next, international resources are those resources which are beyond dash nautical miles of the exclusive economic zone. A 200, B 12 or C 22.5? The answer is A, 200 nautical miles. Next, the soil is made up of lava flows. Which soil is this? Alluvial, red and yellow or black? The answer is C, black soil. 24th, what is important for a sustained quality of life and global peace? Balanced distribution of resources, equitable distribution of resources, or equal distribution of resources? The answer is B, equitable distribution of resources. The next one, red soil develops in which parts of the Deccan Plateau? A, northern and western, B, southern and western or C, eastern and southern? The answer is eastern and southern. Next, land use data is not available in which state? Uttarakhand, B, parts of Jammu and Kashmir or C, Rajasthan? The answer is B, parts of Jammu and Kashmir. Next, The full form of EEZ is Economic Exclusive Zone, B. Exclusive Economic Zone, or C. Economy Exclusive Zone. The answer is B. Exclusive Economic Zone. Area sown more than once in an agricultural year plus the net sown area is called A. Gross net area, B. Gross sown area, or C. Gross cropped area. The answer is C. Gross cropped area. Next, in which year was the National Forest Policy formed? 1952, 1972, or 1951? The answer is A. 1952. Next MCQ. The weathered parent rock material is present in which strata of the soil? Subsoil, topsoil, or the substratum? The answer is C. Substratum. The next MCQ is, the Regur soil is found in which part of the Deccan Plateau? Northwest, northeast, or the southwest? The correct answer is the first one. It is found in the northwest part of the Deccan Plateau.